How to check Haki Exp in Blox Fruit. Welcome back to the channel, and let's start with this tutorial. So for the starter, you need to open up your Roblox account. Make sure you are logged in. Then straightforward, go ahead and open up your Blox Fruit and tap on the play icon. To check for your Haki Exp, it is pretty simple. All you have to do is tap on the M key and it will navigate you to a settings option, from where you need to check for the stat, and it will let you know the Haki Exp stat in it. Another way is to looking on the coverage of the body. Regarding upon how much has the Haki has been covered up, you'll be able to know your Haki Exp. As you can see, currently my Haki is completely covered up. So how can you level up Haki in Blox Fruit fast? You need to buy the aura from the ability teacher in the first sea for $25,000. You can get your aura exp each time you activate aura, take a hit and deal a damage. Level aura quickly to full body Haki by equipping guns, swords, melee weapons, or using a fighting style. And that is a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.